Turn it the other way so you're not getting the panes of the glass in there. Turn it the other way.
This way?
So you're not getting the glass. The glass here.
The veteran director responsible for such hits as Cheers, Frasier, Friends, Taxi, Women's Big Bang Theory, Two and a Half Men, on and on and on and on. So what we did is we gathered all the cast from all of those shows, and we're going to do a 2-hour special, and they're all going to participate in some way or another. It is not a reunion of any kind.
Now I gotta go get out front.